Since breaking below the $20,000 level on June 18, 2022, for the first time since late 2020, Bitcoin has crossed above or below that level 9 times in the subsequent 3.5 months. This period has come directly after the highly volatile Bitcoin crash that began in November of 2021 and ended with Bitcoin down almost 75% at those mid-June lows. Now, many of the Bitcoin enthusiasts will argue that the magnetism displayed by the $20,000 level is an indication of the stabilization of the coin and is a healthy part of the potential path to broader adoption. Now, something noteworthy occurred in the 2-day period from October 2nd to October 4th. The Nasdaq rallied over 7% on a growing belief that the Federal Reserve may be closer to the end of their tightening cycle than previously thought. Bitcoin, which has long been directionally correlated with Nasdaq, had a similar 7% move to the upside. Now, this comes after a move from mid-August to late September in which both the Nasdaq and Bitcoin lost 20% and 25% respectively. Now, what's unusual here is that in the past, Bitcoin's moves would be directionally consistent with Nasdaq, but the size of the move in Bitcoin would dwarf the Nasdaq. Could this be the period of relative stability and lack of volatility, and could it be a signal that Bitcoin is put in a tradable bottom? Now, as a reminder, CME Group now offers options on both micro Bitcoin and micro Ether futures. For these examples, we're going to be using the futures. If a trader believes that Bitcoin could rally from here, they could express that by buying the October CME micro Bitcoin futures contract at 19,980 and target a move to the August highs of 25,000. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 16,980. This trade could make $502 if your target is reached and risks $300 if you're stopped out at your level. Now, if a trader believes that Bitcoin could fall from here, they could express that by selling the October CME micro Bitcoin futures contract at 19,980 and target a move to the mid-2020 series of highs at 13,000. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 23,500. This trade could make $698 if your target is reached and risks $352 if you're stopped out at your level.